In this video, we will talk about what to do when we get the printer notice the ink pad is almost at the end of its useful life. We'll see how to change the pads, and what to do to reset the impression counter, and be able to continue using the printer without blocking it from use. The unused waste ink is contained in a tank, where the pads absorb them to prevent spills. The printer has a print counter and self-cleaning. The printer warms when it is necessary to change the pads, and thus be able to avoid ink spills. On some printer models, it may happen that after reaching a certain number of print cycles the printer stops working. You need to reset your impression counter. Perform a reset using the software to allow the printer to continue operating. We will talk about the reset in another video. Next, let's see how to change printer pads. The tank with the pads is located under the printer. We can easily remove it, but if we want to avoid the risk of ink spilling when the printer tips over, we can separate the ink tank first. We remove its two front screws. Next, we loosen two anchors from the casing. We only have to remove two screws to separate the ink tanks. We put the printer vertically and remove the side cover. Now we can remove the reservoir from the pads. For this video, I used a new printer and the pads are unused. This is what used pads full of ink would look like. The pads are individual, and they fit perfectly in your tank. We put it in and ended up putting everything back together. If the printer is locked and no longer printing, you will need to reset its print counter. We can see it in the following video.